Hello everyone, I am Atul Tekade, Assistant Professor in PR Pote College of Engineering and Management, Amravati. Today we discuss some important topics of the transformer, that is transformer vector group. The content of this particular topic, three-phase connection, vector group and significance of the vector group. So before going to start, we can understand what is meant by vector group or what is the use of vector group. IEC, that is International Electrotechnical Commission, that particular commission decides some standard notification. By using that standard notification, we can easily identify our low voltage and high voltage winding, or we can easily identify our primary and secondary winding. Again, by using that standard notifications, we can easily identify the phase relation or phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. So this is the some importance of the vector group. So before going to start vector group, we can understood the transformer connections. All of you know that in three-phase transformer there are two winding, primary and secondary. It is also called as low voltage and high voltage winding. And that particular winding, it may be connected star or delta. It depends upon our application or in which place our transformer is situated. It is outside of the power plant or for step down purpose or distribution purpose. So as per the application, we can select our connection. It may be star or delta. So what is meant by star connection? You can see the diagram. Each end of the coil with same polarity is connected to a point is called as star point. Star point may or may not be ground, and in vector group the symbolic representation of the star, that is capital Y or small y. The meaning of capital Y and small y, it can be discussed after next slide. In the second connection, delta, you can see the delta connection. The polarity end of one coil is connected with non-polarity end of another coil. The representation of this vector group, means symbolic representation of the vector group, is capital D and small d. The vector group. So we already discussed the importance of the vector group. The vector group can be easily identified our primary and secondary winding, or it can be easily identify which winding is low voltage and high voltage. Also by using that vector group, it can be easily identify the phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. So in vector group, for example, consider the first notification YY0, means YY0. So always first letter, that is Y, means obviously first letter Y means that is star connection, and second letter also Y means that is called a star connection. But first letter always uses capital and second letter always used in small, and third is the numerical value. So for high voltage winding you can use capital letter, and low voltage winding you can use small letter. And third is the numerical value. By using numerical value or by the help of numerical value, you can identify the phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. So it can be discussed again. The first symbol for high voltage, always capital letter. For example, capital D for delta, capital S for star, capital Z for interconnected star, and capital N for neutral. Second symbol in vector group, that is that particular symbol used for low voltage, and that letter always use small, means for example small d for delta, small s for star, small z for interconnected star, and small n for neutral. And third is the numerical value, and that particular numerical value gives the phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage, means numerical value 0, 1, 6 and 11. So first of all understood what is the meaning of numerical value 0, 1, 6 and 11. So it can be understood by the help of clock. Means for example, in first case you can see our clock hour show 12 o'clock, means there is a no phase displacement between primary and secondary winding, or in another language there is a no phase displacement between LV winding and HV winding. I mean that is called a 0-degree phase displacement. In second case our clock show 1 o'clock. In that case minus 30-degree phase displacement between primary and secondary winding. In another language, minus 30-degree phase displacement between LV and HV winding. In third case, our clock show 11 o'clock. In that case, plus 30-degree phase displacement between primary and secondary winding. And in another language, plus 30-degree phase displacement between LV and HV winding. In last, our clock shows 6 o'clock. In that case 180-degree phase displacement between primary and secondary winding. In another language 180-degree phase displacement between LV and HV winding. So why say primary and secondary or LV and HV winding? Because before connection, always as an electrical engineer, our winding identify as per the low voltage and high voltage. And after connection you can identify our winding by the help of primary and secondary, because our transformer connected to the load. So it can be again understood by the help of clock representation digit 0, digit 1, digit 11 and digit 6. So what is meant by digit 11? Already discussed. Digit 0 means our clock show 12 o'clock. Digit 0 means there is a no phase displacement between primary and secondary, and there is a no phase displacement between an LV and winding. Same, it is also called as LV and HV phasor. LV and HV phasor means LV lags or LV in phase or LV leads. So in digit 0, LV in phase with HV phasor. Digit 1 means obviously our clock show 1 o'clock, means minus 30-degree phase displacement. It is also called as minus 30-degree lagging. So LV lags with HV at an angle 30. Digit 11 means our clock show 11 o'clock, means 330-degree lagging or 30-degree leading. It is also called as LV leads with HV at an angle 30. Digit 6 means our clock show 6 o'clock. It is also called as 180-degree lagging or LV lags with HV at an angle 30. So transformer vector group clock notations. So there are 4 already discussed. There are 4 vector group: 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 180-degree, minus 30 and plus 30. So in vector group 1, that is 0 phase displacement, the IEC standard vector notation YY0, DD0 and DH0. In this category, this type of connection used. Which category? Vector group 1 and 0 phase displacement. So YY0, DD0 and DZ0. What is the meaning of YY0? It is understood firstly. So first letter is capital Y, second letter small y, and third is the numerical value. It is already discussed in previous slide. The first letter capital Y used for high voltage winding, and second small y letter used for low voltage winding. And third is the numerical value 0, means there is a no phase displacement between LV and HV winding. Similarly, DD0 means first letter capital D, second letter small d, and third is the numerical value 0. So obviously high voltage winding delta connected, that is shown by the help of capital D. Again low voltage winding also delta connected, it can be shown by the help of small d. And 0 show the phase displacement between LV and HV, there is a no phase displacement between LV and HV. It is also called as LV winding in phase with HV winding. And third, DZ0 means capital D, small z and 0. So capital D means that particular high voltage winding connected in delta. It is shown by the help of capital D. Small z mean that is called the interconnected neutral. Okay, and it can be shown by the help of small z. And third is the zero value, mean there is a no phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. In second vector group, 180 phase displacement. What is the meaning of 180 phase displacement? Our clock show 6 o'clock, which ISC standard vector notation include in this particular group YY6, DD6 and DZ6. Obviously YY6 means star connection, high voltage winding star, low voltage winding also star, and 6, so there is a 180 phase displacement between LV and HV. Similarly, DD6, high voltage winding delta connected, low voltage winding also delta connected, and 6 numerical value show that there is a 180 degree phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. Similarly, DZ6, high voltage winding delta connected, low voltage winding interconnected neutral, and 6 show there is a 180 degree phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. In next third group, minus 30 degree phase displacement. Now what is the meaning of minus 30 degree phase displacement? Means our clock show 1 o'clock. Okay, means which ISC standard vector notation include in this category? YD1, DY1 and YZ1. Means Y capital, D small and numerical value 1. So our high voltage winding star connected, low voltage winding delta connected, and 1 show that our low voltage winding lags with high voltage winding at an angle 30 degree. Similarly, DY1 means high voltage winding delta connected, low voltage winding star connected, and 1 numerical value show that LV winding lags with HV at an angle 30. Similarly, YZ1, high voltage winding star connected, low voltage winding interconnected neutral, and 1 numerical value show that our low voltage winding lags with high voltage at an angle 30. Similarly, in fourth vector group, that is plus 30 degree phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage, means obviously in clock, our clock show 11 o'clock, and which standard notation used in this category? YD11, DY11 and YZ11. So what is the meaning of YD11? Means Y capital, D small and 11 is the numerical value. So Y capital means our high voltage winding connected in star and low voltage winding connected in delta, and 11 is the numerical value. That numerical value clear that there is a 30 degree phase displacement, but which 30 degree? Plus 30 degree phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. In another language it is also called as LV winding leads with HV at an angle 30. Similarly, in second notification, DY11 means high voltage winding connected in delta, low voltage winding connected in star, and 11 numerical value clear that star connected LV winding leads with delta connected HV winding. Similarly, third notification, YZ11 means interconnected star or interconnected neutral, not star, interconnected neutral. That is, it is show that by the help of Z. The small z show that our low voltage interconnected neutral leads with star connected high voltage winding at an angle 30. So all of you, by the help of this table, clear what is the meaning of vector group, what is the meaning of phase displacement, and what is the meaning of standard ISC notification. So consider one example, that is YY0. So YY0 means first letter capital, second letter zero, second letter small, and third is the numerical value. So obviously our high voltage winding in connected in star as well as low voltage winding also connected in star, and 0 show that there is a no phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. So I hope understood this particular video, or what is the meaning of vector group, what is the use of vector group, why vector group notification useful. So before stop this video, understood the significance of the vector group. So it is essential information of parallel operation of the transformer. We are already discussed during the parallel operation. What is the use of parallel operation? When two or more transformer connected in parallel. Why? Because to satisfy our load condition. Single transformer does not satisfy the loading condition. In that case, the second transformer connected in parallel. So during parallel operation, some importance points is the same primary and secondary voltage, same tap ratio, same percentage impedance. The percentage impedance, it is also called as per unit impedance of the first transformer is equals to per unit impedance of the second transformer when two transformer connected in parallel but different rating. I mean, that is also importance, essential conditions. The third essential condition, belonging to the same vector group, that is the useful also. I mean, whenever connect two transformer in parallel, it belongs in same vector group. Means, for example, consider in previous slide, that is YY0 means YY0 first transformer means second transformer connected in parallel, that is the same group, that is YY0. The second significance, the internal connection of transformer winding can be made in a number of ways. Accordingly, different types of connection have been standardized depending upon their phase displacement. Means obviously, by the help of this standard notification, we can easily identify their vector group. It can be easily identify our low voltage and high voltage winding. We can easily identify the phase displacement between low voltage and high voltage winding. So thank you all of you. I hope understood this particular topic, that is vector group. Thank you.